Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today's presentation is very basic for those students who have just joined this engineering field or they have first entered in the university. Most of the time, they have been asked to draw this sieve analysis graph. So I'll teach you how to do this sieve analysis graph using Excel. It's a very short video, and you can always contact me if you want to have this Excel sheet with you. So what you do for drawing a sieve graph, you just have to have a simple graph in which this one is your logarithmic scale, and this one is your normal scale. So this you can do at any time. Now, the point is how to draw your sieve lines, the sieve number, where to locate your sieves. You can do simply by having table like this, in which what you do, for instance, the maximum size of my sieve was 38. So I write this 38 mm, 25 mm, 19 mm, 12.5 mm, 9.5 mm, 4.75, 2.36, 1.18, and 0.075. These are all x values, and this is only y value. So in order to draw this line, where your number 200 sieve will be, what you need to do, to go to select data, and you select, for instance, you say add, and you say your series name is 38 mm, and then the x values, you say these are my x value, and then for y value you just have to select 0 to 100. So once you do this, you just have to press OK, and you find this line. Now, in order to label this line, what you need to do is to select this line and right click, add data label, and when you find this add data label, you will find this. And then once you do this, you have to format data label, and you can write the series name. Y value you may not need, and you just have to show the ladder line is, because it's very important that because sometimes the lines are very close like this, so you can have these lead lines here. You see shoot ladder lines, and that's it. So this is how you do it. And now here, when you click this 0 is, you don't need that 0, just delete that 0. So this is how you can draw any line. For instance, if I say, if I have to have 50 mm sieve, so I write 50 here, or what I can do is, I have 50 mm sieve here, 50 mm sieve here. You can see in my line, there is no 50 mm sieve. So what I can do is to select data. I'll say this is a 50 mm sieve, 1. And then it will say the select range. I'll talk about this 50 to 50. And then for y values, 0 to 100. And that's it. You find that you have this now 50 mm sieve. Remember, that's why when say okay, that's why you see this 38 is, you can put it here. Now, what about this 50 sieve, right? What you can do is to add data label here and say add data label. And here you can see 0 or 100. So what you can do is to format data label, And then this is my data label. Sorry, this number, this format data label is this format data label, and you write X value. You don't need X series name here. You need a line, and that's it. So similarly for this, add data label, and then once data label is known, you just have to go that and format data label, select X value here, and then the reader line, you will find this 50 mm here. And in order to move this, you can always do this. So this is how you can always draw the Sieve analysis. That's a very simple presentation. I hope you have learned it. That's it. I will in the next lecture I will come up with some more application of text. Thank you very much for watching.